all and welcome to Facebook tonight. Namera by now mfamata Facebook no one at least nobody should be worrying him or herself about because mfamata kana Facebook live anyway. I think I want to stay with you for 5 minutes and I want to make good use of these 5 minutes anyway. It's always very nice pour que kanaka fumole ko nganyim falien. Yalong sometimes let's say 1 month ago or 3 weeks ago rather. Dia mo be sharing mulba falako kare hanen tamaka nga simola silo kan kuma soto kare yana tra mail tule al kare muta nyima sekunda be slow they are that they are this nyima sekunda man slow at all nyima sekunda is at a speed melanko is the correct momentum ibe wolto nimmel lafta you can continue to talk anything you want to against them. That's not a problem. And again, if people are saying ko ngamulu bula ikali nyima sekunda kajafi komenka to speak against them mo kana femfo ofana man correct, that's not democratic. Ngamere, it is good if some people are saying bad things against them. Some people should be saying good things against them. But overall, nyimolu iba katakan kendeke. Nyuma sekunda sifa gambe na masut. Nyuma sekunda la correct. Ali ambe fono kekam, things are coming. Things are coming. Iba muno mutakan ibe sindle le sidla to click the mondomam. People must understand. Masekunda baga sidrom ikamul arrest. How so are you? It is 1 month. 4. The state apparatus, arrest, are they loyal to you or not? Do you know? How can you know? You just come 2 weeks. Again, I collect no anything. In the APRS called searing. What is wrong? Put in the APRS go see, put handing and taking over. Put la ministry kunda muna kategori I be bondi nyoto. Put tingaro men kada masakunda kono prayer long so nga kolla surono. Tingaro men kada masakunda kono prayer long abelo na nyadle. Ningo badanga kedo wande. Okay. Nimma sakunda kuto nyin anin kuto maman siye diam hay manga na sila kana talo what is netalo ulbe man ka fenti. How could people go to Facebook live or whatever imanga na kana talo is nothing absolutely Nimma sakunda is working very well. Look at this now. Brief President Barola fonkolta ala posters ala kavena di portrait ala netal balu kekeblaldo. Imagine immediately after the festival, they are moving them out. Can you imagine? This government is perfect. They are trying their best. Definitely. Alaji bedrom, everything is okay. Kulbe betakan normal, ibe prisoner bulakam. Ibe prisoner mail tumuta ya be janjang, ye prisoner kendolo men correct. Nyima sekunda correct no. Nimme lafte fanyaman digere. These people are very, very correct. Alebe dia mo sifa be bala kun ha imanyin kenen tenen ko do be joma important fanka complain wala man important na fereng mo men kanada mo fala ma dam ma mo fala say mo be yemang ñu la seen mbitema ye jumala yemandi even though yalon ko APRC was their enemies ye APRC ka jumala yemandi can you imagine if the opposite was the case nata ya jumala winter tenen bi ni ya jumala be sirim bi dan mo jama yemanta bara fla moma yemang o man kanyal fe alaka complain kurinding ha yima sekunda imam minister franka juna fojuma ko you think a ministry will not function if there is no minister? Of course the permanent secretary is there, the deputy permanent secretary is there abe function nale nim bantra makoro da madama head of state will talk to outside about flambenna permanent secretary kilanan tendinte yake whether minister is there or not masakunda will function. This Gambia small Masakunda Gambia government, Honey Minister Lulu Asasa Mano. Only 5 ministers can make this Gambia government move. Alenga di am kanso member complain not way. Nta famar gana Facebook live be yagale it's almost 13 minutes to 11 o'clock here in Sweden. Look at it now. Where is the former director of NIA, the defunct NIA? Where is he? Bao you see that drone ha fenga henan silokang ima arrest ani adama hayne bulo dinyo la tenenten atlumal ngin ka nyimbe ka ko nyama You cannot just sit down 1 month. Only 1 month in the office. You can arrest when I'm How so are you? Kuala state apparatus, apparatus, many be arresting. Are you sure that they are loyal to you or not? How sure are you? Let us take it easy. These people they are doing their best. Nana man nyuma sekunda sifaso. Hani? Because nyuma sekunda imaja jawra ma sekunda dam kujamalla. Wala jawra ma sekunda there was no time limitation. Yala jawra dam wala. Yo ñundal fle time limitation soto. Jawra mo sono num. Nyuma sekunda a jawra dam ko nima carte 51% of votes ni mo soto ma win. A jawra ma sekunda dam fanana. Hani bi mo be complain but I understand. Hani prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam kila ala fonko même perfect. Ala ko kila ta correct la man sota ro soto. Mo la fo la fara ko adama baro. Pour mo be la fo la I don't blame anyone. Ha ni me ano etra ibeda me etra auto. Ndolo de ndolo me anko ndolo ngani ibeda me bolto hani sain ndolo mo falim. Yes. Ni aliano même man la fi. Ibela fi men yok. But complain 15 on ndolo fana complain 15 moy. Mina kaytande mo la ko this is not worth complaining. Naf ha imagine ay koto dum. Ha kaftano tenenten aka kaftano dum bakale. Ay koto dum na sanko. English court. Ha angelo ga me no bon dress. Ay no bon dress dum na slang. Nga jibe ko tek. Anyone complain about that? And there was nothing wrong. If he wants, he can put on Sego Sagari 10 years. Ake Sego Sagari. No problem. But if you get complain, ala dress tenenten, akadendeka koyodung, akafonkodung. Oh my God. Ntankata mo fala mo damada mamankanya mo fala menga mo faka mo liemande. If ya Jammeh was on throne today, wala basir no Gambia. La ilaha illallah. Wala listo men bebude mo men be to sabe. Ya Jammeh APR sinkol ni sogar kuru men babule mo men to sabe. Den bi mo men be man na Gambia kono. O kontano man kanya la fede alaka complain furin. Même man jara complain. Yima sekunda la beter. Ndenga complain no moy wat sinanga diam. Call me a defender if you want. Call me a defender. Habar hanama no jabar. Hanama no namal la filahani ya kubetoke. Apaka beta nyakut. Molbe mutakan clean. E comme moi lan ko le business au table report. Nele na report ko yemen kela. Kodo yemanda kodo me yemanda bebe fokam. Alice yelma même mo la kotake. The next 3-4 days. Janni ba for next week. Albe kuma do la fara mo la kotake. I promise you. Janni bafla come ngafta Friday, janni bafla Friday doma. Friday men kana men bokam. Albe fondlo fana mole melanko very positive. Very positive. You can take my words to bank. I know what I'm telling you. Ni masakunda la correct. You know masakunda correct no. Yalon ni model da koro na kay rosoto. Ni meke ko koro ka meala. I could see that in some people's this thing. Mol dal ta koro be kala drong jonko la sulbe mol sambala gidu keso bebulu pelo picasso sayto gela moto kono sogar siamam ban sogar ma bala bodomo ila moto kono picasso kata ge sign han sogar men ba samet ila moto kono picasso ibo fala mona picasso bela moto kono nun do kakala sogar moto kono picasso pelo marto tanajo fango kilo for what gela sign wo kontano da madama what are you complaining about if that alone nganata oda madam mama won complain be je correct minister lete même minister iban cabinet form juna jumala kala ban sekundar tamono without minister who tell you that Gambia government sans betemon had 5 ministers it will be very functional to the latter. There is nothing wrong as long as they are doing good. Let them not mind complain. Allah is with yes. You know, it's not a matter of, of course they are not minding these fake complaints and whatever, but the truth of the matter is people should not complain if there are no grounds of complaining. This is my point here. You know, that's that. Ndola kanata kuluma melanko. Iko Gambia ko tama sign ibike koma jibe. Wada madama. Hada mono ibeka wasa. Ika tama ibike koma jibe. Biriye posta sur ko dulato no Jammeh style tenenten molo ko this is for temporal measures. As soon as the festival is over, they will remove all these portraits. Ni netal bali bebe bondole maji ya start. E bebe bonde kan ke bonde kadine mo lokon we are not here to put Adamas posters all around the country. No, Costa Musena ya jame. No, we are not doing that. Moli obegela. Kulbita kan nyama, everything is working fine, unless if you don't want to recognize the facts on the ground. Remember Kekan. Anyway, this is we are into real democracy now. So at the way we are going to play our democracy, that's that. But in the fact, definitely, we have a cause to rejoice. Kontano kolben trouble melanko, o kontano naman kanya benfe. Unless you want to die and go to God Almighty Allah, ya fa ngo. They are not happy with the status quo. Dukare kudo din nabango en kontanande. If you can do it, anyway. Bari ngalon ko bi na ta yaje mebe sirimo dulato bi. Wole mo membe to sa fe listo bala ibe men halakila. Ha? Den no gambe sudu bi. Bari tankato be ma maji. These people, this government has not written down any names. We are going to take revenge on them. No, they are not doing that. That is why I decided to come and make this short video anyway. Kaitende molako, they will always come back and say nganyimfo. Yes. Alkani mon begda ha ye kare bole kare. Sita ki bekatale. They are don't worry about it. Kare henang abe tamaka abe free intending. Imam free. They are all going out. Nying is a scam. Nying beka lunkilim kuti. No. Ibeka na don param. Hani. Nying masakunda membota ge nyine kuka molla. O mol be around ge menen ko dol be masakunda fankono kuketa walla. Atle mero olu mun mo siba de ngena la wala onyamaten just to forget like that. When there are grounds to use against those people pour que se molu anya atle wala. Yala même man korek wala mon comme ye sembo ke mo kan sembo melanko amake comme boyta kan rom biko etle masakunda pour le nyapa kan. But if there are grounds to use against that person, well, there's nothing wrong in that. Mr. Foreign, let them complain. It is their God-given right as far as we are concerned. There's a regime change and Jammeh is no more. No. It's their God-given right. It's my God-given right to tell people not to complain, Mr. Kam. Well, in democracy, la quality. It's their God-given right to complain. You know what I'm trying to say here? You know, a complaint, and a criticism, and advice, and a request. We are going to English grammar. Even though I stop at primary 3. Complaino, is a complaino, ndula sato man kolon soto. Ale pompo soto, ale mako pompoto. It's a complaint at the same time request. Alright? Woman, you are not criticizing anybody. What I'm simply saying here is, ndama fu mole de ko jutlam mofo. Pour mole de tek ko jutlam. Mofo de. Bari ndeme diam la menna, woli e fon lon, wala ka diam mom fo na fatala. Kambe jelo kam fam. Diam na fantam meni bola, nte bola la. Yalam mo melan ko nimma sakunda ku ko rek ka kafo. Akoye no ben keten tenin den ayo fo fala 1 hour aba fala. Lundo ya ko no masakunda men keten ten wala ko mbeka fem fo mar la ko. Bari melan ka takata sirin do ka me fault finding mission. Fault finding mission. Ndene wol ta kenol. Modo be ge famari I don't want to talk to that person again. Kota ke dunia kono. Mo be ge melan ko wo fanata maria fondon mbejuma Allah. Ndata fala de. Bari bringa mari manya ko singa ko nyimma sekunda ko atege friend. It's a very very big fake person. Wala nante this man fenke nyimbe America la ko diata nyi fenke nyimbe nga sukulala nyen banglu ko nyin. Something by Malik Mbaye is full 100 APRC. Malik Mbaye ngol sivan lafto mo sivale bedami ye traje bari be jang ha tene no trade la kelonto. If you don't support this coalition, don't support them. Bari kana ka mo fe ko be so I supporter you another supporter. Wala kana wala balwa kandrimbi. Abe complain me sendem. Criticize bi sama complain. Ita kuma di ma mola. Ita mola ko no good move. Ibe barola mnita lo kende kan. Hani amari to fala. This person will wait until I friendo my melanco. You can bring negativity in that. I offer. So fair. You have to understand one thing. We now have too many experts, particularly when it comes to the toilet paper. Yes, too many experts. And you can make a jack of all trade and master of none. All of a sudden, you can journalist ko na journalist journalism aspect. Niko security matter na police nginenka o nga sogoro nginenka. Niko jata kenda la karo nga leptan dokula nginenka. Ninga ko nyama. We will not make mistakes. But if you want to know all, you want to talk about all, you will become a non-entity. No doubt about that. It's a kernel. Now that people, thank God we have Google. You can go to Google and become a master in everything. Like, tomorrow we are going to discuss this subject matter. Yet a laptop on the bala, you just Google, just type. For example, we are going to talk about Saudi Arabia. Just type Saudi Arabia. Just go to Google and type Saudi Arabia. The history of Saudi Arabia. Hello, Saudi Arabia, the first king was this thing. When you are fucking looking at your laptop, thinking that, oh, this man, he mastered all this thing. Nalaiwo. If you want, you can also go there. Go to Google. 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 Mr. Google. Teta Mr. Google ya. You will see everything there. Baby girl. Sankaram monkola nundo karam kolata. Sankaram to fente. Wala na nyamo ko ha ko karabala masters ka bukera masters. Ni bada masters ni na angle kam fa fono. Fembe Google. Karam be Google ka dawal Google. Woto mo Google man sot. Nunto mo la karam wala correct. Bar ntola Instagram, ntola nyen karam sign. Abe bullshit. 90% of it. A false at the back. Sankaram is very, very, very simple, next to nothing. I'm telling you. Hakili mala benna kumo mala ngamen forande. Sankaram ni nunto karam men kolata ntulbe alon. Ita is mo ngalla mo tan tulla time of primary 6 in those days. Common entrance ni a pass labon fon sate mo la e ka patila fanke ka common entrance fon pass, common entrance. E ka karam bu mo kema sama fen e ko mo tan da mala pass. Ngoy Sankaram dia nunto karam man dia. Wala na nunto karam abarakata. Bar Sankaram ni amo 2 years e ko masters. E ko masters in what? Mala environmental studies. Ni nga ko tenen da yekata classroom ko na si Google. E ko ye link ko le ko open this link. Ye link ko open. Sankaram is nothing. Karam dia battle sign. Yes, Professor Google. So thank you Mr. Kam. So abona nyama. Alinga moma foko. In fact, it's very nice in this way. Nimbele be complain about ni masakunda ten, ni masakunda karatene. Dole fana kana kela kuma kan dofo. Nga balance wona ngama ko democracy. Même kun demen da ko yofo. Abanda. But definitely I'm very, very happy with this government, the way they are going. And I can promise you, Nim Friday sita for Friday men bo kang. Yela moy. Friday men kan mbo la. Nimo sita. Take this to bank. Jenne mo Friday do be sila ba fa he adum fofana wulo nyim fa janna. Ibe progress ki ba do la gela fa men do bank lim. Progress ba. Okay, you know, you have to understand that most of these pettiness undermines of the coalition government are the APRC supporters of or sympathizers. They criticize constructively, but not to fault. Okay, I cannot read all. Okay, let me see more of what you say. But not fault-finding mission in. Is that not a real democracy? That's an abuse of democracy. I don't understand. What do you mean by like, who is abusing democracy here? Are you talking about me or these guys? Okay, you can write again. Yeah, fault-finding mission is when somebody is only sitting down to wait. If Fofana utter a word that you can capitalize on, so that you can isa manik no nyado nyama pour mole ya kajafi. You can fault finding mission. But if you are not on fault finding mission, you can mengola munduko amari lungo ben ay kay ko he bi njarama bi yakata lungo be kay bi makata. Ni o ka drone then you are is equilibrium. Well, you are now equilibrium. You are in the middle. But say nitaka is only na cooking doke you kept quiet on it. Na ku doke melanko you can criticize out of it. Yo man correct. So whoever is doing that, whatever you call yourself, even comment box, nimol commenter, I can know their intention. A die-hard supporter of this regime, nkela comment sol sutele. Melanka mari, alafta kengis la bara la fi ñun dole kejede, bara alafta kengis sifaro ngo fana lonne. Melanko be APRC lanko wala ka banan rot, wala ka kam fala fam, will they even insult you? So we have these three categories of people. We have the die-hard, we have the ntol de lafta ya jame boje bare ñun do mala foy traje, wala fana mbegel. Dole be mena encore ya jame. So ñun we are these three category la bembulu, category saba. Wala be diaspora, wala be Gambia. But unfortunately for them, majority wala lafta, wala die hard. So we are good to go. So those die hard, sinte bolla kono. Niamo tola ko die hard. Ha. You die very hard, not die easily. Niamo a die hard supporter. Wala supporter melanko you have to die hard, not easily wo. Niamo tlaminto amoto jelto. Yes. Nyindoko, I really respect Honorable Mai Fati. He's working. My Fati mustaldi. Sitek abe ñini bela ñin timo bela correcta. Ba dafa fenk tori so man kana gembe san tori solu. Amadu ba frambe do ko sibala tori solu. Wakat telephone ta ka tori solu kle pure nanan. Akal telephone ta ka be hey alna gambia fo man ka san nun dalasi say 50 butus. They are working. Bari modul be koji. Kundindin nonsense topics kawi important. Oh my God. I don't give you that as far as I'm concerned, I'm more than the word happy. Yes. I don't know if finally will mean to call. Because here in Facebook Live, Jani radio program, they are very, very important. Wala mole mena ko benu jongulas. Nakajala kumfadla dal lemo jand. Jongulas we are very armed. Kedo be bulu kendake. Jongulas so do be pislo men be bulu ay sabasile. Bao jongala solo, well, they don't go to Armory Kakido sign because of their nature of the nature of their duty. So Kamala, they don't need to go to the Armory and sign out a weapon in a normal way. So therefore, Jongolas are more armed than any other regular member of armed forces. So Kamala Mbetambon right now, I'm putting this message across to the Minister of Interior and the Minister of Defense. And the Minister of Defense, I understand that the President and the Commander-in-Chief himself is in control. So let them double check all these members of that defunct junglers. There is no more jungler. Nobody, momanya mama, hani dola kaboro laming. Ite kafago jungler, katofon for Gambia from jungler. If you want to go to mile 2, just mention the name jungler. Because you'll be charged for something else. So, inyana katela solo kono, ba e kartu solo sotle, ye pistol soto, ye PGL soto, e me portable grenade launcher, ye AK-47 soto. Ye tele ye la so kono beji be fo. To nyato nya kido teje bang. I'm putting that message across tonight. Wom kula de melanko is very, very, very important. Ba o ngaje Africa banko dolto kido mulka sarim banko kono. After nimma mankata kata kido wuri. Yeta gasolo sang ya ke fen kono ye kido bula kono ay laaje fo lokum kilin ala common base boy na kido ni usno. So we don't want those type of situation to happen in our country. So I'm putting this message across to Minister of Interior and Minister of Defense. Pour kaje ko tonya jongola solo. Ibe tout menga ko mambori ba banko ka sai. Yete bela soko na ni la friends sol be la close friends. Kela jongola ka dal be gibe. Ka make so ko tonya nyuno, they are completely stripped off their weapon or weaponry. Mbekaja kumfala gele ala baraka bak many video gibe ani ala moy we go to hammer the enemies of progress one by one. Of course, yes, wonderful, yes. So manna Facebook just to make people busy. Nte manna Facebook for a couple of days now. So just to let you know that it's not my willingness to be coming to Facebook just to see my ugly face. No. But we have to. Remember, I was not doing this a couple of years ago. Jawara's time, there was not like Facebook Live. In fact, Facebook started in 2004 in the whole world, February. So before 2004, there was no Facebook. So that I understand, and thank you very much. I have to conclude this video here until I come your way again. It's your friend and brother, whatever, Fofana, saying goodbye to you. Thank you very much. Allah baraka. Allah baraka back.